Hey guys, it's Thomas with Thomas's Topic Time, and today I'm going to do another Pokemon unboxing. Yes, that's right, it's another Pokemon unboxing. So, why don't you sit back, sit tight, enjoy your Christmas presents, and anyways, let's get into the video. And before I go too further, just want to say Merry Christmas to all of y'all. Alright guys, I'm back, and guess what? The magic hands are back. That's right, the magic hands are back. So, I'm going to get into it right now. The long-awaited Part 3 Pokemon video. So let's go. The first one is Fates Collide. And while I'm sitting here opening this, I hope you'll have like a great Christmas. I had a good one. I bought these for myself. So just, you know what? As we did before, just throw it on the ground. Just throw it on the ground. Alright, so now we're going to get into it. Oh, Tyler, did I do it right? Let's see. Alright, for the first card, I don't know what I got. I got that one. There's this one, which is kind of shiny. There's this one. There's this one. There's that one as well. So how I'm doing this is I'm putting like the ones that are shiny on the left and the ones that are not shiny on the, the ones that are shiny on the left and the ones that are not shiny on the right. There we go. Here we go. And there we go. And so for the next one is Vivid Voltage. Alright, let's see what I got this time. I really need to start bringing a knife to this. I really do. Okay, it's a white one. It's a white one. Alright, you ready? Let's go. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's this one as well. I mean, to be honest with y'all, I kind of hope y'all are liking these videos because I don't know if y'all saw my last one. It took off like really fast. It has like 705 views right now, which is really great. And while I'm at it, I might as well say we hit the goal of 250 subscribers by Christmas. I hit it the other day. So that means in the next upcoming videos, I'm actually going to be getting pat in the face by Stan and Britta. So, which should be really interesting. The next one's going to be Sun and Moon Galaxy Rising. And that's what the pack looks like. Another white one. You ready? There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's energy, whatever energy is. Who knows what that is? There's that one as well. And I just want to say, if y'all are watching this on Christmas Day, because I'm probably going to upload this tonight in real time. But I just want to say, I hope you had a great Christmas. Comment down below and let me know what y'all got. I honestly bought these for myself for Christmas. I actually have more, but I'm waiting to do that video next week sometime. I'm gonna see if Stan wants to do it with me. See if he wants to do some videos with me for Pokemon cards. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, they fell. Alright, there's that. The next one again is going to be Sun and Moon as well. I'm interested to see. So, I got told by a guy at work who says there's a place down the street from where we work that sells them for like a pack of these for $80 and I get up to $1,000 card. So I'm kind of interested to see if I actually get $1,000 card, because that would be that would be really, really cool. Honestly, I think that would be awesome if I get like $1,000 card. I don't know what I would do. I don't know if I'd keep it or sit on it. Honestly, do not know. And I'm also thinking about, these videos keep doing well as well, I'm also thinking about buying a small little table from Target or somewhere and actually having a little table in here and I can sit at the chair and do it that way. So comment down below if y'all would also like to see that as well. But before I go up to the next ones, I know y'all can't see me, but y'all can hear me. Just want to say, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Right now I'm at 250, but let's see if we can get me to 300 by the end of January. I'd really appreciate it. See if I can get into this one. See if I can get into this one. Oh, that's a white card. That's nothing special. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's this one. There's this one. Which is, that one was kind of cool. So I'm going to keep that one to the side. There's that one. That one's also kind of cool. There's that one. There's this one. And there's this one. And then there's this one. And then there's that one. And for the last pack, last but not least, there's this one. And that's what it looks like again. So let's open it up, shall we? There's that one. There's this one. There's that one. And another one. Like DJ Khaled. And another one. Ooh. That one's really cool. And that one. And that one. And there's that one. And there's that one. And there's that one. Oh, my nose itches. And then there's this one. And that's the last one. So, out of all these, do y'all think I have anything worth anything? Where'd it go? I honestly feel like this one right here might be worth something. And if Tyler, if you're watching this, you have to let me know if it is. But I'm going to go look it up. But anyway, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video, because it was really, really fun. Comment down below if you think I got something worthwhile, because who knows? I know nothing about those Pokemon cards. But anyway, I actually think this one right here might be worth something, because it's fancy looking. Fancy looking. But anyway guys, I hope y'all have a great day. And remember, Hope y'all have a great Christmas. Comment down below what y'all got for Christmas and let me know. Comment down below and let me know. But anyway, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let's get me to 300 by the middle of January. We can do it, guys. We got me to 250. All right. Y'all have a great day and a Merry Christmas.